Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're unboxing these sets of keycaps from Dogethink and from Makibo, which was the US proxy for the Dogethink Deskmat and aluminum keycaps that were originally offered by Minoke out of Singapore. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Let's take a look at the product page here. So the Dogethink keycaps that I got were the V2, which are these 6 keycaps here with the Dogethink logo on them. And they're available in this like turquoise, pink, yellow, red, green, and blue. I missed out on the version 1. I also ordered the Hyperfuse keycap. These are manufactured by Gmk, obviously. And then over here from Makibo, I have gotten both of the black and white aluminum keycaps and 2 of the Deskmats. The extras just went live for these today, so if you're seeing this video, go cop them before they're gone. Now, let's get into these boxes. I've been looking forward to these for a minute. I really like the Deskmat. I saw a Singapore streamer had it on his stream, and I was like, "Yo, where did you get that Deskmat?" And so he pointed me to the Singapore site, and I saw who the US proxy was, and I started annoying him on Instagram and Discord. And so a couple days ago, I messaged him again because I was afraid I had missed the extras. I was like, "Oh, did I miss extras?" And Popcorn was like, that's his name on Discord. He was like, "Man, I'll go ahead and invoice you for them." So I did get them today, which the day that the extras are going available, I got extras. So I guess it does pay off to annoy people sometimes. Thanks for that again, by the way. So first we've got the keycaps from Dogethink, which are the Gmk Keycaps. Move this out of the way for a second. So these are the V2, and I believe I ordered the Hyperfuse. Yes. So we've got these 6 keycaps right here. Not really gonna open them right this second. We've all seen Gmk stuff before. There's a good look at those. And here is the Hyperfuse one. It's in a little baggie. And the Hyperfuse. So that is the Gmk keycaps from dogethink.com. And this is what I'm really looking forward to. This sweet Deskmat from Minoke. The Deskmat was $25. The 2 keycaps together were $100, and I believe they were $52 if you bought them individually, $52 a piece, and the 2 of them were $100 together. So let's see. Zoom that back out. Sorry about that. Gotta say, these boxes are pretty sweet that these things came in too. Out of focus. There we go. All right, where are the keycaps? Huh. All right, I'll have to message them and find out where the keycaps are, because I definitely ordered and paid for the 2 keycaps. Maybe they were shipping separately. But, well, I guess we've got the Deskmat to look at for now when those keycaps show up, or if they're stuck in here by chance. It's weird because the packing slip doesn't even say the keycaps are on there, but I did order them. Let's see, let's get these out of the way for a second. Let's pull this Deskmat out and take a look at it. Dude, I love this design on this Deskmat. I can get it out. There we go. All right, so it's your normal, I believe, what, 400 by 100 centimeter or millimeter? Centimeter? Yeah, centimeter. Sorry, it's the 900 by 400. Sorry, I'm out of it today. So it's a 900 by 400 millimeter Deskmat. Is 4 millimeters thick. So pretty much the standard in the hobby, and it's got this sweet Dogethink logo over and over again. I'm gonna message him and find out what's up with the keycaps, why they didn't arrive today. Hopefully they'll be in soon. When they come in soon, I'll probably just do a separate video for those so I can go ahead and get these up so people can see them and get the extras, hopefully, if they want to get extras today. What's up, guys? So upon further inspection, I found that the keycaps were actually in the other Deskmat box, along with a few little Makibo stickers. Happy clacking, Makibo.com. Let's take a look at these aluminum keycaps. So they come in individual bags that have the Gmk logo. Minoki or Minoke, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. And let's see, so we got the white and we've got the black. Got a nice feel to them, as you would expect with them being aluminum. Right. So here are the aluminum keycaps. Underneath they have Minoke, Dogethink. They'll fit your standard MX switches, and I think they're pretty sweet. I'm looking forward to putting them on something. I may put them on tonight's build. Who knows? But hey, sorry I have to addendum this to the original video. Guys, thanks for being here. If you haven't been here before, appreciate you dropping in for the first time. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you guys again real soon. A little later tonight, I'm going to be building a keyboard on stream. You can get my stream details down in the description. And I will also add product page links for both of these products that we unboxed today. And I'll see you again real soon with something new. Have a great rest of your day.